Next, we are heading for our Proficiency Award 2024-25. I warm welcome our Ward Councillor P. Prajila Madam to hand over the Proficiency. First of all, from LKG section, Muhammad Shahzil Ilham. Okay. Muhammad Zihan Tipe. Zain Hamdan. From UKG section, Aisha Hamda. Nizra Safir. Aisha PV. From first A, Aisha Fatima Nazir. Salman Al Faris. Liana PA. From first B, Dakshin Nandan. Manha Sabir. From second standard, Aizam Abubakar. Ria Fatima P. From second standard. From third standard, Muhammad P. Abdullah Abdul Jalil. Thank you, Prajila Madam. Next, I would like to welcome the Principal of NISLP School, K. Nasir Master, to hand over the prizes. From fourth standard, Raza Fatima P. Muhammad Ziyan K. Muhammad Nazih Nasib. From fifth A, Nahala Nisar. Asla VP. From fifth B, Fatima bint Sajir. Rayyan Mahmoud Dawari. From sixth A, Rila Sajir. Jaza Fatima MT. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome AP Shamsuddin, sir, member of VMM English Medium High School. From 6th B, Muhammad Zain K. For the second position, Fatima Zenhavi. From 7th A, Leah Lidesh. For the second position, Farha Fatima. From 7th B, Muhammad Faz MV. And for the second position, Sabaha TK. From 8th standard, Malavika Nandan. And for the second position, Raya Fatima C. Next, I would like to welcome Ismail P., member of VMM English Medium High School, to hand over the prizes. Sir, please. From 9th standard, Minha Fatima K. And the second position, Fida Fatima P. From 10th standard, Zenha Fatima P. And for the second position, Muhammad Razeen Rashid PK. Congratulations to the students. We are very pleased to announce the presentation of the LSS Award for the academic year 2023-24, a prestigious honor recognizing exemplary academic achievements. I would like to welcome KV Safir sir, the Secretary of Palottuvalli Mahalla Muslim Jamaat Committee. Sir, please. Muhammad PV, Siona Biju. And next we are heading to the prize distribution of Shastrolsavam and Kalolsavam for the current year. First of all, I welcome Saja Fatima from 10th standard. Minha Fatima K. from 9th standard. Shaza Fatima TP from 9th standard. Ashmiga V. from 4th standard. And next we are heading to the Kalol ceremony prize distribution. I would like to welcome our PTA President, U. Rashid sir, to hand over the prizes. Muhammad Faz MV from 7th standard. Fatima M from 6th standard. Sabaha TK from 7th standard. Rana Fatima from 8th standard. Leah Lidesh from 7th standard. It is with immense pleasure and pride and unbridled enthusiasm that we gather here today for the prestigious award distribution ceremony of the district level abacus competition for the academic year 2024 and 25. I would like to welcome Ashraf Saidi sir, the PTA Vice President of VMM English Medium School. Sir, please. Muhammad PV. Fatimat Nabihayu. Muhammad CH. Abdullah Abdul Jalil. Zia Taja. Fatimatul Riza VK. Muhammad Hani TK. Next, I would like to welcome Sahida VK, our MPTA President. Ranza Fatima. Aisha Ziana M. Fatima Zubair. Muhammad Nazal C. Aizam Abu Bakar. I would like to welcome Mr. Mustafa Chudiyat sir, a member of VMM English Medium High School, to hand over the prize contribution. Rizna Fatima V. Jalwa Fatima K. Shanzia U. Next, I would like to welcome C.K. Rafiq sir, member of Palotupalli Mahal Muslim Jamaat Committee. Fatima bint Sajir. Muhammad Rayyan N. Thank you, sir. I would like to welcome Rajiv VP, the member of VMM English Medium High School, to hand over the prize contribution. It's our esteemed pleasure to announce the presentation of the Dedication Award to our selfless students who have voluntarily devoted themselves. Muhammad Hanan. Muhammad Razi. Thank you and congratulations to the students and teachers.
It is the time to honor our non-teaching staff in this wonderful occasion. We are going to present mementos to the non-teaching staff who have completed 10 years service in VMM English Medium High School, Palotupalli. The mementos are sponsored by the School Management Committee of VMM English Medium High School, Palotupalli. The mementos will be distributed by Mr. Yusuf Omods, Manager in charge of VMM English Medium High School, Palotupalli. First of all, I would like to invite Shri Sabit. Please welcome on to the stage, Sabit. Next, Abdul Salim. Next, Hakim Upikarambat. And last, Hafsat K. Congrats all our non-teaching staff.